10-yard bolt of 100% wool, which you see here. And then this is a self-healing cutting board. It is 23 inches by 5 inches. I also have a straight edge that I cut with. It goes across the board, and on the straight edge on one side I have some little rough sandpaper type. It's from like for a step, if you want to put it on a step on a car or something, so it's provides some friction, and that's on one side of the board, of the cutting board, of the guide. I also have 2 5-pound weights that I use and the roller cutter.